Hey, what's up, man? I'm doing a traffic stop on you right now. You got really bad window tint. Go ahead and throw it in park for me. You got your driver's license on you? Is there any weapons or anything in the car, drugs, nothing like that? Nothing that we need to worry about? Alright, man, I'll be right back with you. Let me see that right hand out there too.
On November the 29th, 2022, at approximately 4:42 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police on bicycles attempted a traffic stop on a known drug dealer. The drug dealer, known as Elijah Davis, handed the officer his driver's license, then decided to flee in his vehicle. While fleeing, he tossed a large amount of narcotics from his window. A portion of the narcotics were recovered, and Mr. Davis was placed under arrest. Mr. Davis might look familiar to you because he has been featured in a previous video. On September the 25th, 2022, officers stopped Mr. Davis in the wee hours of the morning and confiscated $17,000 in cash from him. This means in a 2-month period in 2022, he lost a large amount of narcotics as well as $17,000. I would suggest to Mr. Davis, perhaps being a drug dealer was not the type of field you should have gone into. That being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Hey, what's up, man? I'm doing a traffic stop on you right now. You got really bad window tint. Go ahead and throw it in park for me. You got your driver's license on you? Is there any weapons or anything in the car, drugs, nothing like that? Nothing that we need to worry about? Alright, man, I'll be right back with you.
A few moments later.
You want me to head to Bell? Fremont and Oakley. He's supposedly under a car. He's hiding under a van. Okay.
You were coming down the alley now, if you can just direct me in.
First cruiser right out to your left, right there. I can't see the cruiser number. But it's like a silver or light blue minivan next to a car. Yep.
Is there a blue van right there? Watch out.
Chopper's in park next to that silver vehicle.
I got you under the vehicle. Do not move. Do not move. Keep your hand out. Keep your hand out. Right there. Do not move. You understand me? Do not move. Yeah, lethal, if you want to come up here. Let me see that right hand out there, too. Fine, we're taking one into custody. Put the call together. Mr. Davis, I still have your ID, man.
Traffic's right over here.
Anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me? Alright, so Keith. I'm gonna sit your butt. Stand up for me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Going to the front of the cruiser. Spread your feet apart. Right here.
That's my cell phone.
I got you. It's gonna be dirty no matter what, but that's the best we can do. Is that good? Alright, go ahead, sit down for me. Sure. I'm gonna throw the seatbelt on for you. Okay. You got any questions for me right now?